Kidney stone natural remedy. How I got rid of kidney stones naturally. Hi, everyone. Today, I want to share my personal experience with kidney stones, what I went through, the solution that worked for me, and how I finally got rid of them naturally. Please note, this is my personal story, and I am not a doctor. Always consult with your doctor before trying anything. Let me share my journey. For years, I struggled with kidney stones. I visited the doctor many times and tried different medicines, but none of them worked. It was incredibly frustrating, and I started to feel hopeless. I didn't want to go through surgery or complicated procedures, so I decided to look for a natural solution. After a lot of research, I found out that vinegar, specifically apple cider vinegar, is considered a powerful remedy for kidney stones. It seemed simple enough, so I decided to give it a try. Here's what I did. Every morning, I drank 1 tablespoon of vinegar an hour before breakfast. Throughout the day, I added a few drops of vinegar to my glass of water and drank it regularly. I followed this routine for about a week. On the 5th day, something happened. I started experiencing very sharp pain in my kidney, lower back, and all over my stomach area. The pain was intense and lasted for about 2 to 3 days. During this time, I also added 1 tablespoon of olive oil to my routine 3 times a day to help ease the movement of the kidney stone. It wasn't easy, and honestly, the pain was overwhelming. But I kept going because I believed the process was working. Then, on the 3rd day of the pain, something incredible happened. The pain suddenly disappeared. I was shocked and relieved. I decided to wait a bit longer before confirming if it had worked. After about a month, I went back to the doctor for a routine checkup. During the examination, they used ultrasound to check my kidneys. To my surprise, they found no kidney stones. My kidneys were completely clear. I was so happy and grateful that I had found this solution and avoided surgery. This is my personal experience, and I wanted to share it in case it helps someone out there. However, I want to emphasize a few things. If you decide to try this remedy, make sure someone is with you because it can be painful. And most importantly, consult with your doctor first to ensure it is safe for you. Everyone's body is different, and what worked for me may not work for everyone. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope this helps anyone struggling with kidney stones. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best on your health journey. Take care.